Hello guys, good morning everyone. Kumusta po kayo dyan? So dito guys yung boarding house ko. Ito yung staircase papunta sa 5th floor guys. So ito. Yan, super linis, maintain, cleanliness. So maganda talaga dito sa boarding house ko guys. Yan, ito guys. So now, yan. 5th floor. Ito guys yung boarding house ko dito sa Macau, China. Yan, hawak na yung light. This is 5th floor B. Yan, open ko na guys. Yun. Yan, dito sa loob. Ito yung sala ng boarding house ko guys. Yun. Yan, ito yung sala ng boarding house ko guys. Yung dito yan. Very nice. Very clean. Hi Bia! How are you? Yan, ito yung si Miss Bia Alonso. Yan ang baby guys. So, very nice talaga dito. Guys, thank you for watching. I love you so much. Bye-bye.